Hello guys. Welcome back to the channel Android Club. Today I'm going to show you a very useful trick for Android. Most of you may have already known this trick, but some of you doesn't heard about this trick. Now I'm going to show you the most important and very useful trick for using Play Store for your Android phone. This video is going to be a simple yet but very useful trick for most of the Android phone users, and most of you may or may not use this trick. Please do not skip this video, or may you not be able to have full knowledge about this trick. I am responsible for you guys for thanking you for listening and liking my videos. Thank you and love you guys. May God bless you and your family to live happily forever. And importantly, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, now let's get into the video. Have you ever been experienced with this kind of message? Well, have you ever been tried to get rid of this kind of error? And have you ever been searched for how to solve this error message on your Google Play Store? Don't worry, to solve this kind of your problem, Android Club is here to help you. Now let's see how to solve this kind of problem. To solve these kind of error message, and to install any application or games, simply follow my steps. First of all, download the APK Pure application, link below from the description. And install the application. Now this is the application that shows the error message, and now I want to install this application. For that, open the APK Pure application. Allow the app to access your device. If you want to update the app, click Install. Otherwise, click Cancel. Type the application name that you want to install in the search bar, and hit Enter. And now this is my application that shows the error message, and that I need to install. And now click the Install button to download and install the application. After downloading the application, a pop-up message appears. Simply click Allow from this source option. And now, the APK Pure application will automatically begin the installation process. And now, you have successfully installed the application that showed the error message. Now I am going to show you using the application on my incompatible device without any problem. Now this is the method of having incompatible device that have successfully installed on your Android phone. And now we're going to see how to install games on incompatible device. And this is the game that I want to install on my phone, but my device is incompatible with this version. Now let's see how to overcome this problem. For that, you have to install TapTap application. Download it from the given link below from the description. Now, search for the game that is incompatible with your device. Click download, and wait for the game to be downloaded. The game file is around 839 MB, please be patient until the game is downloaded. And now you have successfully installed the game in your incompatible device. For the verification purpose, I have submitted the gameplay for you guys.
So, what you're trying to say is that you fell here from another world? But when you wanted to leave and go on to the next world, your path was blocked by some unknown god?
Outlanders, your journey ends here. Who are you, the sustainer of heavenly principles? The incarnation of mankind ends now. Wait, don't go! Give my sister back! And just like that, a god took away my sister. Some kind of seal was cast upon me, and I lost my power. So while we used to travel from world to world, we are now trapped here.
And this is the method of installing the unsupported apps on your incompatible device. Hope you guys liked the video, and importantly some of you guys have not subscribed my channel yet. Please support and subscribe guys, so you will never miss my upcoming videos, spontaneously. By subscribing my channel, you will become my supporter and, like the video and, hit the bell icon, to get notified. Thank you guys for watching the video, and see you soon in the next video.